Graphic Innovators is the premier choice for web offset press remanufacturing. Printing companies today are faced with competition like never before. With this extreme competition, every element related to the printing press must be operating to the highest level of efficiency. If the printer's press is worn and no longer producing quality product at competitive speeds, a field rebuild is a cost-effective option to consider. In this time-lapse sequence, you will see the results of a 30-day field rebuild Graphic Innovators completed for R.R. Donnelley, Mendota. R.R. Donnelley's Harris M300M press had a proven track record as an excellent producer from the original installation date in 1987 until the scheduled rebuild in 2002. During the last 3 years leading up to the rebuild date, maintaining acceptable print quality became an impossible challenge. This resulted in slower production speeds, greater waste, and dissatisfied customers. When chose Graphic Innovators to field rebuild their press, the most important goal when complete was to have a like-new press and to condense the project time frame, thus minimizing the disruption to production. Proper planning well in advance of the start date, experienced rebuild professionals, and a well-assembled rebuild kit of new parts and components were the key elements to doing this project in 30 days. The Graphic Innovators Rebuild Kit consists of all-new ink vibrator rollers, dampening system rollers, ink fountain rollers, plate and blanket cylinders, gearing, and all-new bearings, bushings, and seals. New components from the rebuild kit were simply exchanged with the old worn-out components. All remaining areas of the press were rebuilt on site. This includes all bearing housings and side frame bores, roller hangers, pneumatics, lubrication systems, rotary unions, register systems including side lathe circumferential, unit-to-unit phasing, and cocking. During the remanufacture of the 8 printing units, significant field rebuilding of all other components was completed simultaneously. This included the rebuild of the butlers, infeed, and combination folder. In 30 days' time, R.R. Donnelley was back in production. We have achieved significant reductions in waste combined with increased production. Print quality is exceptional. A rebuild of this magnitude is typically about 10 to 20% of the cost of a new press. This cost-effective solution is an obvious choice over the purchase of a new machine. Of course, all of Graphic Innovators' work comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. If you are considering a rebuild of your existing machine, please call us for a free analysis. Every press rebuild starts with the evaluation of the existing machine. Graphic Innovators will determine the printer's goals, document the current condition of the press, establish budget and time frame restrictions, and create a proposal for completion. Each job can be customized based on the printer's budget, objectives, and time frame. Please consider Graphic Innovators for your field rebuild projects.